The scotching turbine UT has been developed to process oriented retted flax straw into long line flax fiber. The capabilities of this turbine line extend across the entire quality scale of the raw material, from essentially non-retted to over-retted straw. At the same time, the effectiveness of the turbine exceeds all previously known designs. The yield of long line flax fiber in absolute values is by 2% to 5% higher in comparison to competitive equipment. This effectiveness has been achieved mainly due to a unique original design coupled with a new fresh concept of preparatory and pre-processing equipment. The turbine UT exhibits following technical parameters: the input capacity of 800 kilograms per hour, 1.766 pounds per hour of raw retted straw of medium quality, length 22 meters or 72 feet, width 2.5 meters, 8.5 feet, and height 2.7 meters, 8.85 feet. The processing flow is as follows. The input material, compressed in the field into either round or rectangular bales, enters the process through an opening arrangement equipped with a hydraulic loading unit. In case of round bales, the machine is equipped with a take-up mechanism for winding up of up to 2 separating cords. The separated cord is wound up on high-capacity coils at a regulated tension. The width of the machine is 1.5 meters or 4.9 feet. Length is 4.25 meters or 14 feet. The unwound material is manually checked and pre-arranged into a rough layer on a spreading table, from where it is fed continuously into an entry take-up mechanism of the combing machine. The combing machine operates on both ends of the stalk simultaneously. Alternatively, the machine can be arranged to operate the root side and the seed side separately, while offering a possibility to be augmented by a de-seeding combing mechanism. The width of the machine is 2 meters or 6.5 feet. The length is 2.5 meters or 82 feet. The material, which after exiting this stage contains only long stalks arranged in parallel layers, is transported into a layer spreading machine. This machine consists of a series of wheels with combs, where the successive wheels turn with progressively higher speed. The result is an action which spreads out the layer of the material in order to make it more suitable for further and more effective processing. The width of the machine is 1.5 meters or 4.9 feet. The length is also 1.5 meters or 4.9 feet. The last and most important machine of the preparatory stage is a calender. The calender consists of either 5 or 9 grooved hydraulically lifted cylinders. The cylinders exert a dual action on the material. The stalks, while being compressed by a great force of the cylinders, are simultaneously being bent by the action of the grooves. The result is a breakup of the woody parts of the stalks into chives, which are then easily separated, scotched, while achieving a minimal loss or damage of the fiber. The width and the length are 1.5 meters or 4.9 feet. The preparation stages are followed by the core of the entire processing line, the scotching aggregates. Here the final separation of the chives from the fiber is performed by the action of scotching knives arranged on rotating beaters. The root and the seed portions of the stalks are scotched separately and successively. The transport of the material through both aggregates and all the way to the output unloading ledge is accomplished by an arrangement of a grooved transporting belt with rubber inserts. The finished long line flax fiber is manually removed from the output ledge, arranged into even hands, sorted, classified, and moved for packing. The width of the machine is 1.7 meters or 5.6 feet. The length of both aggregates is 9 meters or 29.5 feet. The chives, together with the waste fiber, are transported by a collecting belt into collecting bins and then pneumatically on for further processing. According to the customer requirements, the entire processing line can be offered complete, including the air handling equipment and the electronic controls. Installation, maintenance, and service can be provided according to customer requirements as well. We are looking forward to welcome all our customers.